Editorial paragraph published in Dan News. This dictation is recorded by Shahid Ramzan, stenographer, Civil Court, Mianchanu. Stenographers Academy, Mianchanu. Ready? Start. The new civil servants efficiency and discipline rules, 2020, recently approved by Prime Minister Imran Khan, are a significant improvement over the existing ones as they provide for a more transparent process of internal accountability of the civil bureaucracy within a certain time frame. Full stop. One can assume that the new rules would ensure that delinquent bureaucrats will not get away with misconduct or unscrupulous actions of any kind if found guilty after an internal inquiry, and that they are penalized in proportion to their guilt. Full stop. The new rules give the civil servants a fair opportunity to be heard and prove their innocence, though it remains unclear if a bureaucrat would be allowed to keep his her job during investigation. Full stop. The effective, transparent and fair application of these rules and the timely resolution of cases should limit the space for anti-corruption agencies that are often accused of building unfounded cases against government servants and of harassing them. Full stop. This would address a major complaint of the bureaucracy and allow it to work with peace of mind. Full stop. New para. The rules have been designed under the government's policy of institutional reforms to improve the performance of bureaucracy and state institutions. Full stop. The idea behind the current reform effort, as with several similar exercises over the last 6 decades or more, is to make bureaucracy more effective in service delivery. Full stop. It is commonly perceived that politicization and corruption in the civil service has seriously undermined the country's socio-economic progress at the cost of public service delivery and damaged the credibility of the state and its institutions. Full stop. Sadly, past efforts to restructure the civil service fell apart mainly because of ineffective strategies and inadequate homework to push through the reforms. Full stop. Political governments and military regimes in the country have designed reforms to suit their own short-term agendas and exert greater control over civil servants rather than make the latter more responsive to public needs through effective governance. Full stop. New para. More importantly, all past efforts to reform the civil service have focused on reorganizing the bureaucracy without dismantling its old colonial structure, which has mostly served the country's political and military elite. Full stop. The present attempt does not appear to be any different. Full stop. Although the Institutional Reforms Committee headed by the Prime Minister Advisor, Dr. Ishrat Hussain, has suggested a raft of measures including directly retirement rules, performance contracts, new promotion criteria, etc. in the last few months, these may not see an overall turnaround unless bureaucratic institutions are ruled over upside down in a complete revamp, full stop, that will depend on the government's intentions to deliver on its promise and devolve administrative, political and other powers to the grassroots, full stop. Without true decentralization of powers, it would be naive to expect the bureaucracy to be prepared to serve the people with sincerity and respond efficiently to their needs, full stop.